Alright, gotta do this ram. So these are pretty deep scratches, so I'm just gonna fix the dent, and he's gonna have that touched up or airbrushed. All of this is just paint transfer that'll come off. And here's the bad spot. That is nasty on a truck body. You know, truck's thicker metal, and it's pretty nasty. So that's what I'm going to do, and actually all that is paint transfer. That'll all wipe off. So let's see how this turns out. Hey there, it's me, Sal Contreras. You know, working inside of a panel right now, and you know, a lot of us use rods to actually, you know, put the tool inside and kind of leverage off of something, and it works fantastic. But dent dials do something completely different inside of a panel, leveraging on their own. But it is still difficult to actually get a tool inside and then be on the outside here looking, and hands inside. Even with a dent dial. Dent dial, sometimes you put your hand in there and swing your body around. One hand isn't ideal compared to two. Well, I want to introduce you to something that's been a fantastic find, and that's a gear wrench. A gear wrench is a tool that is already being made, fantastic quality, but it has this pivoting area right here. And I'm going to get to the back of this door, and it's hard to do that with tools that you have to actually get leverage going this way. I don't like to drill holes in this area. I want to be able to work on the dent without drilling holes. So this is where this setup worked fantastic. So you have a dent dial, gear wrench up the side, slides all the way back, and then I can actually be on this side with plenty of power. So it's a great accessory. This is now a great addition to being a dent dial user, is the gear wrench support. Alright, all done with that tailgate, and now I just finished up this door. So I just got the glass back in. I had to remove this side trim because I was kind of fighting it. So the customer's gonna put a new one in there. There's that crease, that ugly crease at the top of the door here. So this is all done. It's just going to get touched up. Customer didn't want a full repaint because this is a metallic blue. It's a beautiful blue. And we had those big waves in the middle. That's all done. And then the real nasty stuff was down here. That's the best I can do. This is that area that was really munched and crunched. Let's see, Chevy. It was tough, really tough. Yeah, you can see plenty of wiggles. Not perfect. But in person, it looks fantastic. This camera just brings up every little wiggle. Alright, well there you go. Big Dodge Ram smash, all finished. That was really tough door to fix. Well, thanks for watching. This is Sal from DentExpertTraining.com, using dent dial tools on a Dodge Ram Big Smash. You can find dent dial tools at dentdial.com. Thanks for watching.